How about that? This is a road roller. It uses its heavy roller to flatten hot asphalt. Let's put everything together. Wheel. Wheel. Cabin and chair. Engine and steering console. Exhaust pipe. Frame. Roller. Roller. Engine and steering console. Roller. Frame. Roller. Cabin and chair. Exhaust pipe. Excellent!
Now we are go to road roller. We go and we are trying to how it's work. Let's see. Oh yes. Oh, and this is road. Okay, it's done. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah, this is a road roller complete work.